completed the installation of a transport system on the massive experimental gas-cooled reactor. This project involved erecting and mounting a 110-foot mast with a large platform car to the outside of the structure. The system will provide efficiencies in the removal of materials and waste from the upper levels of the structure to support deactivation activities. Assembling the system required coordinated efforts among specialty trades including iron workers, welders, laborers, carpenters, and crane operators. The system was previously used to support deactivation activities at the 6-story biology complex at Y12. Reusing this equipment avoided the cost of purchasing a new system.
Today we changed out the second mono pump in the 2537 pump vault. This is due to the longevity and how old our pumps were and stuff.
UCOR's Nuclear Operations Maintenance Team completed critical pump upgrades at the Bethel Valley Storage Tanks facility. This project replaced 30-year-old pumps that were responsible for transferring concentrated liquid low-level waste through a 1-mile underground pipe from long-term storage tanks.
It's a magnitude of people and it's a big orchestrated event to get in here. Riggers, millwrights, pipe fitters, chemical operators. You'll have RAGCon.
You've got a skilled operator running the crane, and you've got riggers in the hole.
It takes a lot of communication between us, orchestrating what the next step is and stuff to try to be as efficient as we possibly can.
Knowledge that we learned before on the second jump, we've really utilized it to make it as efficient as possible.
Maintaining aging infrastructure is a top priority and necessary measure for EM to ensure nuclear facilities on the Oak Ridge Reservation continue operating safely. EM and UCOR accomplished another major step in their efforts to complete soil remediation at the East Tennessee Technology Park. Workers completed soil cleanup at EU25, an area that previously housed a former research and development facility. Crews removed 1,400 truckloads of contaminated soil and concrete before backfilling and resurfacing the site. EM participated in recent events to introduce students to careers in environmental cleanup and the skills required for those career paths. Students were invited to explore interactive stations, activities, and demonstrations. The key to developing tomorrow's workforce is investing more in K-12 outreach to raise awareness about different science, technology, engineering, art, and math-related jobs and ignite a spark for learning. EM and UCOR partnered to provide hands-on experiences at Jefferson Middle School's STEAM Night and the Full Steam Ahead event at Oliver Springs High School. The activities provided students with the opportunities to use radiation detection equipment, handle objects through a glove box, and learn how to keep the workforce safe. Oak Ridge was the featured site at this year's Waste Management Symposium in Phoenix. Oak Ridge's EM program hosted 4 panel sessions that spanned the day on March 8th. Representatives from the Oak Ridge Office of Environmental Management, the Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and the Y12 National Security Complex came together to explore how environmental cleanup is reshaping the reservation. Sessions focused on the partnerships, integration, and interdependence involved in creating success across Oak Ridge. The day also highlighted conversations on how to recruit and retain a skilled workforce. To wrap up the day, attendees heard from members of the Oak Ridge community about the opportunities and tangible economic benefits from the advancing cleanup at the site. Stay tuned to see the progress we make next month and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter.